Alright, so speeds were a little bit better there for the download. The upload's still pretty consistent, right around 20.
In this video, I'm going to be performing for you guys some Cricket Wireless speed tests for the year 2021. We're doing the $60, the unlimited plan on my iPhone 12 mini. So guys, let's talk about it. Well, hey there guys, welcome back to yet another episode on EB3 Tech, and if we're meeting for the first time, I am your host, Eddie Blotnicki III, and on this channel, I'm typically talking mobile tech. So today guys, like I mentioned, we're doing the speed tests on the Cricket Unlimited plan, the $60 plan, the highest tier plan, as you would say. So guys, without further ado, let's go ahead. Let's roll those speed tests.
Well, hey there guys, how's it going? We're at the first tower here. Let me show it to you. Alright, so those of you who watch my channel on a regular basis are very familiar with this tower. The AT&T antennas are way at the bottom. Alright, and here's the current reception here. As you can see, full bars on the Cricket LTE. So we're going to go ahead here. And we're going to run this speed test here. Let's see what we get. So, in all honesty, not as good as the Verizon, the Spectrum Mobile speeds for the download. The upload is actually a little bit lower as well. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to try it again here. And we're going to go ahead and compare the results here. And this is on the Unlimited Plus plan on Cricket, for those of you that are wondering. The $60 plan, the maximum amount. Alright, so speeds were a little bit better there for the download. The upload's still pretty consistent, right around 20. Alright guys, so that's going to conclude this test here.
So guys, as you can see from that speed test there, the results were kind of interesting. So guys, we're going to go ahead, we're going to roll the second tower here.
Alright guys, well I'm at the next tower, and I'm actually as close to the tower as I can get, and I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Let me show you what I mean here. Alright, so here is the tower. And here's the actual base station back there. It's right off the highway here. And this tower is actually only about 4 months old. And take a look at the reception. It actually went down by a bar. Probably because I'm so close to it. I've actually never had that happen. So we're going to go ahead. Like I said, this tower is brand new. So let's see what kind of speeds we get. And look at this. Speed test has failed. Let's try it again here. And I actually went by this tower just a couple days ago, guys, and I was having the same issue. One time I was able to get a very slow download. Let's see if we can duplicate that here. Yeah, so that's what I was getting. So as you can see, this tower, like I said, it's only been here about 4 months. This tower is so congested that it's pulling in these really poor speeds. So that right there, I've just never seen it this bad. So the AT&T tower here, this one, I can't imagine what it was like, because this area is pretty much a dead zone, as you guys can see. So no service on my other provider. I am trying out T-Mobile. If you guys want to check that out in my channel, if you're new here, got a video on that. So we're going to go ahead. We're just going to try it again here, just to compare. But I find this kind of, I don't find it very good. Alright, well, I guess that will conclude this tower test.
So guys, as you can see from that second tower there, I didn't know what exactly was going on, but I actually did get confirmation that tower is working fine. It was just super congested. And actually, there's been a lot of complaints about that. So anyway, guys, on to the next test here.
Alright guys, we're at the next location. Let me show it to you here. Alright, so right on top of the water tower there is the antennas. Alright, and here's the reception. As you can see, full bars on Cricket LTE. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to run this speed test here. Actually, I think these are the best results by far that we've had so far. I am more impressed by that download than the upload. We're going to go ahead, we're going to do it again here, see if we can get any better results. But honestly, so far, yeah, it's looking like it's a little congested, guys, but it seems to be pulling well over 100 meg. So that's nice. Alright, well, honestly, guys, I don't think that's too bad for LTE.
So guys, honestly, for being right in town, the speeds were actually very good, in my opinion. So guys, we're going to go ahead. We got one more tower here.
Well, hey there, guys. What do you know? Another tower. It's been a while since I was at this tower here. Just behind those trees there. Alright, let's take a look at what we got. As you can see, full bars on the Cricket LTE. We're going to go ahead. We're going to do that speed test here. And let's see what we get. Well, we broke 100. Are we going to get better speeds than what we did by the water tower? Doesn't look to be as much. And the upload, let's see. It's about 20 for that upload. Alright, let's go ahead and do it again here. Looks to be about the same as last time here. Yeah, kind of about the same. And those of you wondering, this is an iPhone 12 mini with the 5G on, but unfortunately in my area, there's no 5G speeds yet. And that is what we got.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed those speed tests, and unfortunately in my area, I actually don't have any Cricket Wireless, any AT&T 5G in my area. But guys, no worries. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to travel. I'm going to get you some 5G speed tests on the iPhone 12 mini just to see what we can get. And hopefully the results will be very good. So guys, if you happen to enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, well, that other button still seems to work okay too. Maybe you've come across my channel for the very first time. Could be a pretty good possibility. Then I encourage you to go ahead and check out the rest of my channel. And if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Tick the little notification bell to be notified of all my future videos. So guys, I just want to do a quick recap. On this channel, I basically go and I test out all the cell phone providers, and I basically give my input and expose some of their practices. So guys, that's going to go ahead and be it for today's video. Stay tuned to the channel, guys. Much more exciting content in mobile tech. You know it, guys. It's on the way soon. All right, guys. And until next time.